In today's word study lesson, we learned about phonogram patterns. For today's assignment, you will need to sign onto Schoology and find this chart to complete. The first thing you'll notice is you see 5 different phonogram patterns that we have already reviewed. We have ain't, ease, oos, each, and ound. If you start to notice our words around the side of this page have those matching phonogram patterns, what you will need to do is sort them. For example, first go to the first blue card that you see and say the word aloud, beach. Since it has E-A-C-H or each at the end, I know I need to click and drag this word underneath each to sort it correctly. Each matches each, the same phonogram pattern. Continue to go through each of these words. Make sure you say the word out loud, click, drag, and sort the words to the appropriate place. When you are completed and your chart is filled, be sure to click Submit Assignment.